today I'm gonna be showing you my new Nerf gun. Yeah. So let's get this out. Leo, stop licking me. That's my dog right there. So we got a gun right here. See this? This is just a Nerf gun. It's not a real gun. That's powerful. Oreo, no. No. Oreo. And it's from my birthday. Today was my birthday. Oreo. Run away. Let's go get those bullets. I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's get these bullets first. Okay, got him. Oreo, stop. He's such a crazy dog. Yes, you are. Okay, so now so you see this little orange button right here? You click that, and it opens. And you find your bullets, but you have to put them like this way, so they would go the right. You have to put them this way to make it the right way. Sorry about that. It's just very focused on the gun. Okay. And okay. Okay, got that. Now, shoot again. Hold on just a sec. Also, this is the gun. This is where it shoots from. And this is the trigger. So it can shoot. Also, this is an electric gun, if you wondered. It's like a AK-47, isn't it? Oh, kind of, but kind of mini gun. Oreo, no. He loves bullets. He loves to eat bullets. Ah! Except for the... Yeah? Hold on just a sec. Okay. Now you got those bullets in. Hold on. And that's it in my video. Bye.